I'd like to introduce you also to our new reconstituted limestone product, TechStone. This offers us another positioning in the marketplace price-wise. This is a natural limestone, reconstituted, obviously, very eco-friendly. It also offers a very, very affordable solution for those that perhaps can't afford stone. And the end result is equally as good. Now, in this case here, we have this on our fireproof board, and we've introduced our fireproof board to all of our products as a result of the Grenfell fires and the risk associated with some other products. Now, this one here can be direct fix, and as can all our insulated units. Very quickly, I'm going to show you how this is done. We still have our grooves which keep the alignment and keep everything fairly neat, and it's quite a simple operation. So I'll quickly put this wall together for you and you can have a look at it. And there you have it, a beautiful limestone reconstituted wall. Now, in most instances, most people would never know the difference between that and most limestone marbles or otherwise, but the biggest difference is this is a very affordable product.